Welcome to this training video on how to use permissions in Audio Project Manager. By the end of this video, you'll be able to configure a new permission scheme and assign roles to steps, remove or delete a permission scheme from sections, understand the difference between assignments and permissions and why it matters. Permissions are restrictive. They control exactly who can do each step in a project. Unlike assignments, which are suggestions, permissions make it impossible for unauthorized members to perform certain actions, like recording or approving. For example, you might want only a specific peer group to record audio, while another group reviews drafts. This keeps your workflow focused and secure. Before you set the permission scheme, make sure you turn on settings. Check the box "Permissions may be set for projects of this team." Also, ensure you have your peer groups created, ready to be configured in the permission schemes. Go to the Assignments tab. Select one or more sections you want to secure with permissions. Click Configure Permissions, then click Add Permission Schemes or choose an existing scheme to edit. In the Configure Permission Scheme dialog box, type a unique name for your scheme. For example, Genesis Review Team. You'll see each workflow step listed. For each step, click the down arrow and assign either a peer group or an individual member. If anyone can do a step, choose No Restriction. Once finished, click Save. In the Sections and Passages tab, you'll now see the scheme name and assigned members or groups displayed in the Assigned column. To test your permissions, switch to a team member without permissions and try accessing a restricted workflow step. For example, Peer Review is for Translation Team 2 and restricted for Team 1. You'll see that Team 1 cannot mark it as complete. To remove permissions from sections, turn to the Assignments tab. Select the sections where you want to remove permissions. Click Remove Permissions. A confirmation box appears showing how many sections will lose the scheme. Click Yes to confirm. After removal, those sections will have no restrictive controls, meaning any qualified team member can perform the steps. Deleting a permission scheme permanently removes the scheme, so make sure no sections are still using it before you delete. To completely delete a permission scheme from the project, click Configure Permissions. Then select the scheme you want to delete. Scroll down and click Delete at the bottom of the dialog. Confirm deletion in the pop-up by clicking Yes. Remember, assignments are suggestive. They indicate who should do a step but not prevent others from doing it. Permissions, on the other hand, are restrictive. They explicitly control who can perform each step. If a step is assigned to an admin by a permission scheme, only that admin can complete that step. Regardless of permissions, any team member can add comments in discussions and export data, maintaining team communication. Here are some quick best practices. Always give your schemes clear descriptive names so they're easy to recognize later. Use permissions strategically. Avoid over-restricting your team, which might slow down progress. Periodically review and update schemes to match your current team structure. And remember to remove permissions when team roles change or when sections move to a new phase. These practices help keep your project smooth and secure. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.